Thanks for staying tuned. You are watching 15 on 15. Let's get into your lifestyle segment. There's big business opportunities in weddings. That's probably why IKEA is the latest company to venture into this field. Furthermore, weddings are fun and a big deal, but the guest list, expenses, and all the planning can really distract a couple from seeing what the day is really about. So IKEA has come up with online weddings. Take a look. This is how IKEA's new digital service works. First, couples choose from a long list of destinations for their ceremony. They can have a beach setting, or if they'd prefer, on an authentic boat. Even a fairy tale forest is an option. Once all the quote-unquote planning is complete, they can then invite as many friends and family members to watch via a video chat system that runs through Facebook. Your guests' actual faces will be placed onto the bodies of avatars in suits and gowns, so no one even has to get dressed up here for the big day. The I-dos also take place virtually, and it is 100% legitimate as well legal, as long as there is an officiator and one witness in the same room. The website claims the best sort of love is easy and effortless, and promising one another eternal devotion at a wedding should be just as simple. So there you have it. Online weddings are legal and are now a thing.